In this video, I'm going to show you how I created and posted 57 AI avatar videos posted to social media without even going onto Instagram. I did all of this using HeyGen to create the videos and Manus for creating the scripts and actually posting directly to Instagram. So this is perfect for anybody that wants to post on social media but doesn't really want to be using the platforms every single day. So my name's Steve, I'm from the AI Marketing School. If you have any questions, I will be in here every single day answering all of your questions where I post more content and training as well. So I run the AI Marketing School. We teach people how to use AI to enhance their marketing. And I've been using some AI avatar videos just like this. I record videos like this.
Stop waiting. You don't need a degree, you don't need experience, you just need to actually do it.
So this might not be the best video that we've created, but you can see inside here I've created, I believe, 57 videos in the last month, all with different hooks and styles, all of which have been posted to social media without me actually having to get onto the platform.
Your competitors are already using AI in their marketing. Most of them started in the last 6 months.
So in all honesty, there is room for improvement in some of the videos, but this is more about the process of actually posting to social media and how to create these videos very quickly and easy so you can post in volume. So I actually did this here. This says 33 videos, but we did do all of them, all 57, and I posted this across the weekend. So actually from Friday to Sunday, I automatically posted all of these because I just wanted to see what the performance would be like, and then my plan was to test those that get the best organic reach in my Facebook ads. So I'll show you the process of creating the video in a minute. Of interest, I'm going to show you how you can actually get these posted to social media without actually going onto Instagram. So you can see here these have been posted. Here's a live video of this one. And all I had to do with this is, there's the video. All I had to do for this is to create a new chat, and I'm using Manus to do this. And the reason I do that is because it connects to Instagram directly. You can also integrate with HeyGen, which is the video platform that we used. A more popular one that I'm starting to use now is Higgsfield, and you can do the same for that. You can also do the same for Facebook ads, but that is for a different video. So in this script, or in this prompt, I essentially asked it to read all of the the videos in this Google Drive folder. This is, you can see all the videos in here. And I created a prompt for it to download those and upload those to Instagram using the connection here. I asked it to create the captions, the MCP connection, which is essentially just connecting to Instagram, creating a post with upgraded copy because I wasn't really happy with how it was looking at the beginning, so you can improve this as you go on, and create 20 hashtags that are relevant to each video. So what it will do is we'll actually watch the video, read the script or the transcript of the video, and it will create a caption relevant to that. You can give it guidance, tell it what you want to post, but if you want AI to do all the work for you, it does create some really good written captions and posts to go alongside your video, and also the hashtag to go along with them. I then asked it to schedule these, so you might be able to see here, you can see here this one's been posted. What you can't see here is you do have to click approve inside of Manus. So there is an automated part of this, but you do also ultimately need to approve each video. It doesn't have the ability for you to just post them without approvals, which is probably a good thing, because then you can check that the videos, what you want to post, and the caption is relevant, and you're just happy with everything. You can see here I said this is really good. The only thing I want to check, is there a way to schedule this and run them every 2 hours, and then at this time I asked for 10 hashtags. It did say that it could schedule the post in here, but again I do need to approve those. So that's the approval process. Very simple, very easy, and the way you can go about doing this is just go into Manus, and I've used Manus because, as I say, it connects directly with Instagram. I believe you can do this on other AI platforms as well, and essentially using either your project, open a task, give it access to the folder where it's stored all the videos, which for us is in Google Drive, and ask for it to post those for you. This is how we actually created the videos in the first place. So again, inside of Manus, I've just asked it to create this one for us. I said use our HeyGen skill to create a full video script for me to copy into HeyGen. Create a video using our AI avatar and voice. This video should be about how people create AI content and automatically post to social media. So it's really what this video is about. It's then given me a full script, and all I need to do is just copy and paste this, or this one here, it's got all the details, and copy and paste this video concept directly into HeyGen, into the create new video section, and it will create your video for you. For me, I've tested lots of different avatars. There's all sorts of different ones. I found this guy was working quite well for me, so I saved him into my AI project, and we will essentially only use that one for now until I advise otherwise. So I hope you find that useful. The most important thing is, if you're interested in posting onto social media but you don't want to be posting all day, you don't want to be on the platform, you can actually do it inside of your AI of choice. I've selected Manus, and also once you set it up, or entirely, you can do this all from your phone. So if you have any questions about how to actually do this, come into the AI Marketing School. This is our free group where I'll provide more training and support inside of here to show you exactly how I do these different things, and I'll be pleased to be here and answer any of your questions.